Renegade says, thanks for your advice on Monday. I contacted the office the next day and they said that the hiring manager was on leave and would contact me when they get back. It was so anticlimactic. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, well, listen, like, okay, no problem, Renegade. I understand. And, I hope it works out. Listen, it's like somebody saying, well, I applied for one job once and I never heard back. So what does that mean? Does that mean you should not apply for jobs because it just doesn't work out? No. It means that, you should apply for jobs. It's just that, it's a numbers game. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. I mean, I don't think that response, if I'm reading it right, that response is not that bad. They're not here right now. They'll contact you when they get back. Big deal, Or what you could do is if they're back on Monday, then you call back Monday, or something, right? You don't have to sit around waiting by the phone. Never sit around waiting by the phone. It's just, that's not a great way of doing things, in my opinion. If they're back on Monday, you'll call them on Monday. It's just that simple,